Last problem. Let's read it together. The apple orchard has 142 apple trees. There are 77 trees with red apples. The rest of the trees have green apples. How many more trees have red apples than green apples? Okay, so let's look at what we've got. We've got the orchard that has a total of 142 apple trees. 77 trees have red, and the rest of the trees have green. So what are we trying to figure out? How many more trees have red apples than green apples? Okay guys, remember this, it's been a while since we talked about it. Anytime we have how many more, we are going to subtract. Anytime we hear how many more, that's going to be subtract. So we know that we're going to have to subtract for one of our operations in our two-step word problem. So let's see what we're going to have to do first. So if we have 142 total apple trees and there are 77 with red, well, we've got to find out how many green apples we've got. So let's take our total and let's subtract how many reds we have. Okay, 2 minus 7. I cannot take 7 away from 2. There's more on the floor. I'm going to go next door, right? So I'm going to take from the 4, make it a 3. My 2 is going to become a 12 because I'm giving 10 ones to that one spot. 12 take away 7 is 5. Now I've got 3 take away 7. I've got more on the floor again. I'm going to go next door. I'm going to take my only 100. I'm going to give my 10 tens to the tens place. So that's going to become a 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. So I've got 65 green apple trees. Okay, but that's not my answer because it wants to know how many more trees have red apples than green apples. So I've got 2. We just already decided that how many more means subtract, right? So now I've got to go over here. I'm going to go down here because I'm running out of space up there. How many red ones do I have? I've got 77. How many green ones do I have? I've got 65. And I know I have to subtract because it says how many more. 7 minus 5 is 2. 7 minus 6 is 1. How many more trees have red apples than green? 12 more have red. Okay, now you do your number 3. Good job, guys.